discuss about we are going to write a program to assign the string data using two methods, which means string literal and then new keyword. We have already discussed about the theoretical information about string literal and the new keyword in the previous videos. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch that video and then come to this video for better understanding purposes. So first method is string literal. So here what we are trying to do is we are trying to create a variable called test1, and then we are trying to assign string data to test1. So here test1 is the variable and rakesh is the data, and then we are trying to print this test1. If we run this program, what we do see is this is the output. So what we have done is we are trying to assign data to a variable using string literal method. So this is the data, this is the variable, and then this is the operator equal to, and then we are trying to assign this value to this test1 variable. And then second way in string literal is we can use Unicode for assigning the data. If you know some Unicode of some different language like Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Japanese, like that, so in your keyboard you won't see those characters. So what you can do is you can use the Unicode of those characters. If you know the Unicode of those characters, you can directly specify those Unicode. So here /u means we are trying to tell the JVM that I am trying to give Unicode, so please treat this content as Unicode instead of string. And then what I am trying to do is I am trying to add Lenin some info here. So here what it does is it tries to treat this as Unicode value, so it will try to project the equivalent character of this Unicode. So the equivalent character of 0041 is capital A. So if you try to run this program, what we would see is first rakesh and then A space Lenin. A means A /u 0041 is the Unicode value for capital A. And the third approach in literal is string test3 equal to test1 plus test2. So here we are trying to concatenate two string values, so test1 and test2. So test1 test2 means, so here if we run this, if we try to print this variable, what we would see is we would see rakesh and A got concatenated with rakesh. So rakesh is the output from test1 variable and A space Lenin is the output from test2 variable. If we need to add extra space, what we need to do is we need to add extra space and then we need to add the concatenation operator. If we run this program, we could see that rakesh and we could see some extra space between Lenin and then rakesh. So that is due to this extra space which has been concatenated between test1 and test2. So and then we are trying to use the second approach called string new keyword approach. This is the most commonly used approach because we used to use new keyword for creating objects at all places. So this is test4 and then new string and then XYZ. So here what we are trying to do is we are trying to create the string object. So if we run this, if we try to print this test4 variable, what we would see is we could see the test XYZ. So you could use these three approaches of assigning the value, creating the value in string new keyword approach also. So this is a sample program to explain string literal and string new keyword programs.